How to fix a moisture detected error in the Samsung Galaxy smartphone. If moisture is detected in the USB port, charging may get interrupted with an error messages. Follow these steps to fix it. Immediately unplug your device to the charger. Turn off the phone. Use a soft dry cloth to wipe around the charging port. Gently shake the phone gently 5 to 10 times with the charging port facing downwards. Use clean brush to wipe the charging port to gently remove any dirt and debris. The first step is to wipe clean and dry cable and the USB port. Go ahead, use a dust blower and blow dry your phone as well. This works well to dislodge any excess moisture. Ensure the USB port is completely dry. Switch on the phone. Charging. If the error continues to appear, try restarting Android system services. This forceful restart can often resolve persistent issues, including this one as well. Open the Settings app and tap on Apps. Tap on the filter and sort icon. Turn on the toggle for Show System Apps. Once done, scroll down and tap on Android System. Next, tap on Force Stop. When prompted, confirm by tapping OK. Now wait for your device to reboot completely. Once restarted, attempt to charge your device again and check if restarting Android system services. The moisture detected error has been resolved. Clearing USB settings cache. Open the Settings app and tap on Apps. Tap on the filter and sort icon. Turn on the toggle for Show System Apps and tap OK. Once done, tap on USB settings. Here tap on Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache. Disabling fast charging. Well, open Settings. Tap on Device Care and tap on Battery. Now scroll down and tap on Charging Settings. Turn off the toggle for fast charging. If the error continues and none of these solutions work, consider using a wireless charger. Temporarily constantly connecting the charger to the DevX port could potentially cause damage, especially if the port hasn't been properly cleaned or dried. These solutions are sure to work.